slowly release. Come to half standing. Take first right leg up. Slowly lift left leg up. Both hands. Slowly go down to take your leg behind. Leg down on that. From belly side, come to Bhujangasana. Slowly go to mountain pose. Now put your knee on the mat. Come to tabletop. Now first go to cow pose. Slowly go to cat pose. Now slowly come again to mountain pose. Now take your right leg between the palm. And first you need to come to warrior pose. Second. Slowly down. Come to middle in the mat. Now first lift your left leg. Now slowly try to go down and lift up. Now slowly down. Now take your left leg behind. Go both hands down. Right leg will be straight. If you feel stretch or pain in your leg, you can bend your knee. Hold for 5 breaths. Now slowly come back. Now again, put your hand both on the mat and now take your right leg behind. Come to mountain pose. Now slowly put your knee again on the mat and go to baby pose. Now slowly come back. Again come to mountain pose. Now take your right leg between the palm and come to standing. Now put your both Now slowly put your hand on the mat, put your knee on the mat also, and come to Vajrasana. Now, straight leg, both hands behind, and slowly lift your body up, and the first left leg up. Slowly put down. Same pose with the right leg also. Now sitting on the bed, both hands to relax. Now slowly release and lay down on the mat from back side first. And pure leg to Sarvangasana. Now slowly put leg down. And now come to tabletop. Okay. First go to cat pose. Now go to cow pose. Now slowly go to puppy pose. Now slowly come back to lay down the mat. Lift your both leg up. Hold with your hand. Now slowly lift up. Now slowly release. Again come to tabletop. Lift and come to mountain pose. Now slowly take first your right leg. Now take your left leg. And slowly come back to standing. Now both hand and bend your knee. Now slowly come back. Now take your left leg behind. We go to triangle pose. So now go slowly down and hold. Both sides. Slowly release. And just put your hand and slowly bend. Now slowly come back, fully back. Try every day in your home.